we'll guide you through how to create a Vercel UI. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website on your desktop and log into your account. If you don't have one, you need to sign up by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the prompts. Once logged in, you'll land on your Vercel dashboard. Here, you want to click on the New Project button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to a page where you can import a Git repository. You can either choose an existing repository from your connected GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account, or you can create a new one. After selecting your repository, click on the Import button to proceed. You'll be taken to a configuration screen where you can set up your project's build settings. Make sure to specify your framework preset if your project uses one, such as Next.js, Nux.js, or any other supported frameworks. Vercel automatically detects these, but it's always good to double-check. Once your build settings are set, click on the Deploy button to deploy your project. Vercel will now build your project and deploy it to a live URL. You can monitor the deployment process in the console output. Once the deployment is complete, you'll see a Visit button. Clicking this will take you to your live site. You can customize your UI further by accessing the Vercel dashboard, where you have options to manage domains, environment variables, and other settings. Remember, Vercel provides a seamless experience for deploying front-end applications with its intuitive UI and fast global CDN. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.